Ready to launch your dream website? Let's get your WordPress site up and running on Namecheap in under 2 minutes. First, we need a web address. Head over to Namecheap and use their domain search to find an available domain name. Once you've found the perfect one, click to add it to your cart. Now, let's secure your hosting. On the cart page, you'll see hosting recommendations. Choose a stellar plan, which is excellent for beginners. Ensure your domain is selected and proceed to checkout after reviewing your order. Follow this simple on-screen prompts to complete your purchase. You'll receive an email with your login details shortly after. Log into your Namecheap account. You'll see a section for web hosting. Click on the Manage button for your newly purchased hosting plan. Within your hosting dashboard, look for a tool like the Softaculous Apps Installer or a Website Builders section. This is where we'll install WordPress. Find WordPress in the list of available applications and click Install Now. On the installation screen, you'll select your domain from the drop-down. Leave the directory field blank to install WordPress on your main domain. Give your website a title and set up your admin username and password. Make sure to choose a strong password. Click the Install button and let the installer do its magic. This usually takes just a minute or two. And there you have it. Your WordPress website is now live on Namecheap. You'll get links to your website and your WordPress admin panel. Congratulations on creating your online presence.